Hello, my name is Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday here. Let me just share this screen. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people who help each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure there and a little bit about us as live session trader. So there we go. Let me just stop sharing that. I'm going to go across onto trading view and charts. What was I going to say? Black Friday was that 10 days to go. Okay. Yeah. So what we have is these are Renko bricks. They're not standard candles. We have them on a 15-minute chart and a 5-minute chart, and we're looking for opportunities for buys or sells out of those timeframes. So yes, I'll take that off for a minute because what I'm looking for is a sell out of here. If it makes it up to that sort of like 80%, which it should, we'll see how we go. And whatever that is, it depends on what the stop is up here. It was come back down to the 20 or even further. Like, yeah. So we'll see. This could even go to that lower high there. So that's what I'm looking for here on that 5 minute. It'll, do push pull whatever, but it's up to about the 80% here. So this one is a watch and wait at the moment. Welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
There you go, mate. Oh, where are you there?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yep,
Okay. I'm just trying to set up my other computer.
no problem. No problem. Yeah. So it's only Monday for you, isn't it? That's right.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, I don't know what time I've got to leave tomorrow morning. Probably won't leave until after the 6:00. So I'll probably be on tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I've got that legal case tomorrow where the appeal. So um where the guy will lose the appeal. So um that's good. I'm going to be attending for the day.
I will plan on seeing you then tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully. Any
Okay.
issues, I'll message. But at the moment, I probably won't have to leave until, I don't know, court doesn't start until 10. So I probably won't get a train until about the 7 o'clock-ish. So I finish it, just after
Well,
6 in the
anytime
morning.
you got to go, you got to go. So don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, no, that's a cool.
I don't want you to be late for that case.
No, no, no. That'll be fine. So here's the plan of the 15-minute there for the sellout. Um, we'll just see what we get here up to the 80, whether it continues or not, if we get a gold indicator. And then into the sell on it. That's where I'm at with that one. So AUD I went and did the rest of them as well.
Oh, good on
Um,
you.
good on me. I know. Anyhow. Um, don't really need that. I'll get that out of there for a minute. Okay, so again, here we've got something that's pushing up further. I'm not really looking at getting into the buy on that. I'm just, is this planning it out, Tom? Are you looking at your lot for the this week? Stuff is only just setting up, or are you already in trades?
Oh no, I'm not in anything. I've already gone through and oh, I call it green flagging, which means I take a pair and I put a
Yeah,
green
yeah,
flag next to me. It's ready to go. I'm just waiting to get the right entry.
yeah, yeah. I do the gold ones. They're nearly ready too. Yeah, this one's not
I'm
in
not in
any.
this one at all because I think it's
No.
still going to buy.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I
if
think
I'm
so
going to get
too.
into this, I'm going to wait for that pullback.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. They pull back and then buy back up, or
Yep.
wait for it and then get the sell out. Hey, ADJPY. Pretty easy to go through them after you. Oh, here we go. One of those. Buying up as well.
Yep.
Mm, like move. You just move a few things around here and there. Red, blue, white, blue, blue, white. Yeah, that would have been a nice run there. Look at that. What was that? Coming out of there to there. 127 pips.
Looks
When
like a
did it?
lot, huh?
It's not too bad. Well, that's pretty good though. When was that? That was Friday. Okay. 7th of November. So that's not 10th. Yeah, okay. So that actually happened Friday to Monday. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Okay. Missed opportunity there. I think it's oh, what do we get here now?
No, it's on a Friday. They planned that shit.
Yeah. I did come on. It's not manipulated any of this, is it?
Right.
Yeah, okay. Let's see it break the high here.
Yeah, that's
And
what I'm
we'll
saying.
work
You
out.
have a week to figure out one trade where it's going to go.
Yeah, I know.
So a lot
I
of these, I just let them run.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, once you're in the trend, it's okay. Ah, AUD NZT, look at this. Mm,
Yeah, I think this is getting ready to turn, frankly.
crazy, crazy.
Had a classic flag pullback. I think we're going to get our final push up,
Yeah,
make a new high, and then start the turn to come back down.
it's been doing some full-on stuff though. Oh, what is that one? Oh, it's there? Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, what am I doing? Crazy. Okay, yeah, that's the sign. Yeah, yeah, it's got to push and then pull itself back down again. This has just been going on for a while, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, we're just gonna wait with that one. AUD Singapore. I'm waiting for this to sell out. It's not quite up to the 80 up in here. It may just, yeah, look at this, see? Pull back. I still think it's going to push up to that 80. Might do this ding, 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 knuckle, whatever, push up, and then I want to sell out of it. Okay. AUD USD. Oh, this is your thing. Oh, yeah, okay. Thanks for sending me those links. That's like I was overwhelmed. I looked at a couple and I just went, oh, I can't look at all of those at
No,
once.
no, 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 no. I gave those to you so you could have them for
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
future
Reference.
reference back. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, 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 yeah. No worries
That's
at
why
all.
when you
Yeah,
ask me, how do you calculate what you're looking at? Well, that's how I
yeah,
calculate what I'm looking at. I
yeah,
go into
yeah.
detail, fine detail, But I'm saying just general overall, I like to use the 70-20.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Um, yeah, all right. We've got AUD USD, right? Still pushing up a bit, but it looks like it wants to sell out. So I'm waiting for the turn on that. So either it's going to push up here or, like it's already can push back up. And then if it doesn't come back to do that, it's just where the entry is in here. I need a gold indicator because it's Monday for you, Tuesday for me. So tomorrow will be your Tuesday and things will start to sort of move for the week. So it'll be 2, 3 days of, so I think this will sell.
Okay.
Like that's in there. Yeah. And that needs to come down here. Okay. Right. CAD CHF. Look at the knuckle here. Plenty just up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's Sunday.
Knuckle where? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
right there. Yeah.
Oh, it's just, and over here, look at this. And then it push. Then there's a lot of work in there. I think we'll, yeah, I don't know whether to sell it. Oh, yeah, maybe. Depends if we haven't got any gold indicator there. The sellout back down to the 20.
Well, look at it this way, Brian. Let's make this super easy.
Mm-hmm.
The higher time frame says it's going to buy, right?
Daily, yeah.
Right. Oh, that's your daily time frame?
No, 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 no. Sorry, that's 15 minute. But
Oh,
what?
oh, right,
Yeah,
right, 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 right. So your higher time frame says it's going to buy.
correct.
So I'm setting up my trade, putting on a trend line on the bottom half on the lower time frame. I'm looking for it to come down where that projection line is going to tap my trend line pushing up on the lower time frame
Yeah,
for a higher time frame buy.
yeah. Okay.
Why would I take a sell into the center of our
No, you wouldn't. No,
primary fib
no.
when we want to take it when it breaks out?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But it
So
is
even though
pretty
you got the
messy, this one.
triangles, it is pushing down and everything.
Yeah.
Uh, Set your trend up on the opposite side.
Mm. Up through there, you mean?
No, you see where your predictor is on your 5 minute?
Yep. Oh, down here. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you want to take it. You see that white line right there next to your cursor?
Yeah, yeah, this
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
So your entry's there and your stop
Yeah,
is at the
yeah,
two because you want the
yeah.
buy out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yep, 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 yep.
Don't
No, I
worry about
understand.
these little shits pushing back into the center of the fib.
Yeah.
They're sucker fishes, man. They'll
Oh,
just drain your account.
we got the gold indicator there now on the 15. Just came
Right.
out.
So it's going to show like a push down on the
Yeah,
five
yeah.
minute,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
is
yeah.
just going to create a wick down or another brick and then a push
Correct.
out.
And push out. That's right.
So this is a game of patience. You
Yeah,
want to
no worries.
push out. You want to be out of this box.
Okay. All right then. Next. KJ. Whoa. So the higher time frame's got to push it up.
Right.
All
You
right.
just beat your 80.
Yeah, and it's just pulling back. And then it'll go back up again. That's what's happening on the 5 here, pulling back down before it pushes back up. Same sort of thing. Actually, price is above it. So it's already done one, two, three. It's done four. We could get a gold indicator and a push up from here too. Okay. Right. That's the high. We're gonna have to break this high, I think. Right. Okay. Okay with that. CHF JPY. There's a lot of buys coming up, isn't there?
So it's showing a
Whoa.
lot of buys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
I think this is once the things get this is a definitely a I think this is a buy. It's already done its pullback. It's ready to push off now. Most of these we've got a join happening here. There's already crossed over here. We're going up. All right. This one's to get in. Okay. Look at that from that feed that what did you call that? What's that thing?
That's your trend fib.
The trend.
Oh,
So
I'm
look at
sorry,
it
that's your
even
fib
yesterday.
extension.
Yeah, look at it. It's come
Yeah.
up to full back to you, ready to go. That's what we've had that. So yeah. Must have been here. Yeah. Okay, you're AUD. Ooh, what's a messy crap's happening here? Mhm. So, hasn't made it back up to the 80, isn't it? Back down to 20. Looks like it's going to bounce around until it's ready to go up, isn't it?
Uh, Not to me.
You reckon it'll sell?
I'm the only thing I'm watching at this moment is this push down. Wherever this push ends down, I'm looking for a buy back up.
Yeah, me too. That's what I'm saying.
So
I don't know when. Yeah,
it's only a matter of watching those two bottom trend bars, those CM trend
yeah,
bars, push
yeah,
down. Let the price just push because you already got your blue triangles.
yeah,
Wherever it decides to stop, especially if it's underneath that two,
yeah.
I'm
That's
taking the
ready to
buy
buy
out
up.
to the 75.
Uh, oh, really? Okay, good. You're okay. No, we're on the same page.
Yeah, look at this one. Pulling back to the 20.
Yeah, and going lower. So I think we've got to wait.
That's what
Firstly,
that green line says.
huh?
Your green
Yes.
line says it's going lower. Doesn't mean it's going lower.
No, no, no. The green line says
Pulling
yeah.
back to the 20.
Yeah, yeah,
If
yeah.
this
But I
thing
think
turns here, I'm buying it out.
really,
Yeah, because these lines change, man. You'll
I know
sit
they
here
do.
and watch them turn around and take off because that trend line at the higher time frame turns blue, and you're like, oh, but the green line says it's supposed to go
I
down
Yeah, no, no, not worry about the green line, but it'll change.
on either time frame.
Hang on just a second. That's the moment. It's buying. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, you're right. We need to buy it back up to the 80.
If I'm wrong, I'll get a brick and get out of the trade.
You get out of trade. Yeah, okay, no worries.
but I'm sticking with my
Yeah.
fundamental basic rule.
Yeah.
I may be cautious and take,
Yeah.
uh, I won't take it exactly out of the two. I may take it on a brick higher or whatever,
Yeah. Yeah.
but I'm
But
still
you're
around this
still,
too.
yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. Yeah. We'll just, all right then. All right. You're a CHF. Whoa. I think it's just going to pull a bit further before we get the sell out back down.
I think it's going to sweep all this liquidity on the lower time frame.
Uh, where in here?
Right? Yeah, right in there,
Yeah, yeah, and then drop off.
or at least pull back and then
Yeah,
drop off.
yeah, I agree. All right,
Because that
it's not
white
quite.
that trend line turned white. So now you have two trend lines that are white, the one
Oh
on the top and
yeah,
the one on the bottom.
yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, yeah, well, it did there too, but then it continued up. So we
Right, but
don't know
where are you in your zone? You're
up the
right in your
top.
80 zone.
Yeah, 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 absolutely, 80 to 100, yeah, and also too up at the POC. We're in that sort of like premium expensive part.
And when you're up in the POC, that video I
Yeah.
sent you the other day showing where
Mm-hmm.
to buy and sell, this
Mm-hmm.
was a sell because you're up in the
Yeah.
top of the POC
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in your
And the
zone.
premium.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna drop off.
So for me, now that it's wicked and made a candle on the lower time frame,
Mm-hmm.
can you see that?
Um Down in
Yeah,
which
blow that
wick.
up a little bit in your 80 zone.
That one?
Yep, there it is. So now that's my stop.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. And my entry would be that blue bottom line
Down here.
right there.
Okay.
Got to remember,
All
you're on
right.
the 5 minute time frame. So although
Yeah,
that's
I
going to
know, I
look
know.
huge,
Yeah, it's still,
18
yeah.
pips.
Yeah, I know, I know. Yeah, all right. So we are looking for that sell it. Okay. Euro GBP, I was already looking at that one before. Um, this looks like it's going to break out the bottom potentially. Keep going down. Man, it's difficult to know. Okay, Euro JPY.
Well, no, it's not. Go
Oh,
back.
yeah, okay, UGB, yeah. Now for me, I'm just going like, well, do I commit to selling that out down further now? Or do I just wait for it to come through the 100, pull back up, and then go back down?
Well, again, let's look where it's at. If you go from the low to the high, where you're at now, GDP, yep. Okay, we're on the same page. Why is your what in the world? Oh,
This
your
will.
fib is way too tight.
You reckon?
Yes. You want that low on the higher time frame?
You reckon we need the low over here, do you? This low.
Yes, that's where I'm set up at. Well, that's where I'm set up on both time frames
Mm.
because you're double topping right in the top of the fib for it to break into the bottom. See what I mean?
This is where we put it originally.
Oh, okay.
That's okay. With you. I didn't do the. I don't. No, I don't think I did this somewhere. Eh? No, it was
Yeah,
there.
it's possible I may have moved my fibs. It's possible.
Oh yeah, life is full of possibilities. I'm gonna change that too. Oh no, it was there. You see. It's already on the app run, isn't it?
On the what?
It's already on the cell.
Yeah. So
On
I'm
the way
looking for
down
a
to the 20.
right. So I'm looking
Hmm.
for a quick pull, a push down right here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Fake, fake,
But
fake. Tap that blue line, and away we go for the buy.
okay. Oh, for the cell.
For the buy.
Mm.
See how you made those two tops at the top? Relatively equal highs in your 80 zone.
Uh, where do you mean? There and there?
You see that where it says lower high in the 80 zone?
There's no lower high. It's higher low. Higher low.
Okay, so what's the ones on the top in
High
the zone?
highs. High high.
Higher highs. Okay, so you see two of those?
Yeah.
All right. So what I'm looking for is a pullback here to my, which would be my 75. It would be to your 80. And
Mm-hmm.
then, because it's going to turn here,
Mm-hmm.
it's going to only come down to the top of the volume box, that white
I think it'll only
line
come
on the
down
volume
here.
box.
Okay.
Push, turn, and then it's got to beat these two highs in your 80 zone to create a new high.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm more committed to a sell out of here now at the moment. Back down to the 20. But that's me.
Yeah, you could be right too. I'm
Hmm.
just saying I'm waiting till it pushes back up into my 75 before I take the trade
Yeah.
because I don't want to be caught halfway down the trade and then have it reverse take me
Yeah, I
out and
know.
then
Take
continue
out
pushing
and then
down.
continue. Yeah, yeah,
If
I
this
agree.
move moves, let's say for example, if this move moves on your daily time frame the way it shows completely, just
Hmm.
bam, straight down.
Nah. Yeah,
What have you missed?
nothing.
Nothing. But if you set
Nothing.
up a trade at that 80
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it
yeah.
pulls up and
Yeah,
taps your 80
and
real
then come
fast
back
and
down.
pushes
Yeah.
off, that's a far better trade, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I
Okay,
agree.
so
But it doesn't
what are
look
you
like it's
losing?
going to
So
do it
let
for
me
the
ask you
five.
then, what are you losing if you take a placeholder for a short? Grab a placeholder real quick
Yeah.
and go from your 80 on your lower time frame with your stop at the 100 and then take profit down at the 20.
Mm-hmm.
So if you set that trade up now, if you set that trade up
Oh,
now,
you got to
what
put
would you lose if it didn't come back
no,
and tap
nothing.
your
You don't lose
entry?
anything. You don't lose anything. But that, yeah,
Right,
that's a limit order. Yeah. Okay.
right. So at turnover, at spread, when it's
Mm-hmm.
hitting 36 pips
Mm.
and it's pulling back to
Yeah, I
get
know.
one
Yeah,
brick,
it'll knock you out. Yeah.
it'll tap you in
I'll tap you in and then get
and
going down.
continue going.
Yeah.
And then you've just gained all that profit from the 80 down.
Mm.
If it doesn't tap you in, you've lost nothing.
Yeah, and I can also wait until the spreads just about settle down, see where it is, and then get into the trade or have a sell stop in.
Sure, but at the same time, use the spreads against themselves.
Yeah, against themselves. Yeah, I hear what you're saying. Yeah, no.
Because if the spreads pop up and it's, how far away from your 80 is that on a ruler from where price is now?
Current price. Yeah,
Because
yeah.
from my 75, it's 6.8 pips.
2026.
So that means this has to pull back. Okay, keep going with the ruler and see how far it is up with the to your stop from where price is now.
58.
That means within 58 pip spread,
Yeah, no, you're not going
spread's
to get
going to
that though.
hit. If it goes past 7 pips for me in the other direction, it's going to tap me in.
Yeah, but it might be. Yeah, It's not like
It's not
highly
likely to go over 50 pips.
correct. Correct. I was about to say it's more likely around the 35 or something. That's right. That's interesting to use that spread as an advantage to kick you in to then take on. Okay.
And then wherever it stops, it stops.
Yeah, true.
Even if, so worst case scenario is you wake up at noon tomorrow, whenever, and you come out and look, this should have never came back and tapped you out. It should only have continued down to
Down,
that
yeah,
20 if it's
yeah,
if that's where it's going.
yeah, yeah.
And either way, you have a stop. So
Yeah,
the
yeah,
only
no
thing you
worry.
have to worry about is being tapped in.
Yeah, well, don't worry about it. But I'm
You're
more
counting
likely
on it.
to, yeah, I'm more likely to wait until I get back and look at spreads and then get into it then.
And where
At the
will you get
moment,
into it?
that's just, well, wherever it's at, um, when spreads settle down. If it's still sitting there where it is, that's fine. If it's come back up again, then that's the opportunity for me to then put a sell stop in maybe and let it trigger itself.
Okay, just remember, you already have a higher low on your higher time frame.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
no.
flashing it. It's telling you
Yeah, no.
we're not going to beat those blue triangles on the bottom because we have a higher low.
Blue triangles on the bottom. Oh, you mean the ones on the lower time frame over here?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Mm. Yeah, but that could easily change too, or not. Okay. All right. Yeah, we got move on. That's all right. Let's see
Yeah.
what we can get through. Yeah. I just like to have a situation where we can go through. I know we're discussing stuff, and that's I'm fine with all of that. I'm just looking at where my opportunity is here. Look at this. See, push down, pull back to the 80, and then look at the sell.
Hmm.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. Disregard that bit. Okay, so now it's pulling back up again. We'll see. Oh, that's rain. That's heavy rain. Woo, that's good. Thank you. Slightly move. Yeah, that's way up in this premium, isn't it? We're gonna get this sell out. Okay. You're at NZD. Oh, two. Tom, I got a new replacement modem yesterday as well.
Oh, is it working right?
Oh yeah, like it's so much. It's like back to what it was. It's good.
That's good.
Yeah, no. It just the old one's gone. It's all plugged in. It's all the lights are looking good and everything. So and I could log into the modem where I couldn't log into the modem, the old one. I think it was just on its way out. It was just so unreliable. And now this computer's working again, working fine. It seems to, and I'm able to get back into the Google and now I can stream again. I meant to say, yeah. So it's I think I'm back on track. Hopefully,
Hopefully.
yeah,
That's all right. Whatever works out, man.
yeah, nice. And it's just yeah, getting it back into the groove. And it was exciting. It's fantastic. I had to go to the post office to pick it up yesterday, and I went, oh, look at this. It's the 80. Bah. He reckons it's going to buy back up. So anyway, we'll see. I'm not really. Um, I thought we might get a sell out on that, but it looks like we're not going to. Yeah, might, but I doubt it. All right, that one I might. You're at Singapore. Quite a few to look at. Oh, hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, wait for the pullback. Okay. So that's sort of what it's saying, isn't it? It's already pushed down to here into here. It's going to pull back to 80 and then drop off. Where this is saying it's going to drop off, but there's a movement to happen before it does.
That's what I'm trying to tell you on that other pair. That's why I'm saying if you
I know.
set up a short,
Yeah, yeah,
force
yeah, yeah,
force it to come back to you.
yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
But not lose anything if it doesn't.
Right. Exactly.
Correct, correct. No, got no problem. It's way sitting up here in the wrong spot. It needs to come back down. It's good. All right, it's US Singapore. We'll just see. That one I'm waiting for a pullback and start. Okay. So if I do, there's a lot of sells coming up, isn't there? Like it's funny how the market sort of does all that sort of wow. That's not bad, is it? See how that goes. All right. Your USD. Ugh. Mhm. I reckon it's going to spike up there, and then drop off. What are you seeing, Tom?
I see it coming back to my 20 on the lower
Yeah.
time frame.
Oh, now or
No.
no?
Eventually it's coming back to my 20.
Do you think it'll make it to the 80 before it comes back down?
No. I think it's going to come back to the 20 and then buy up.
Okay. All right.
So I'm only
Uh,
taking buys out of this 20 back to my 75. See how you missed the 75 on the. Ooh,
hang on, sorry. I'm doing crazy stuff. Sorry.
that's okay.
Um, God. It's in downtrend. It's in a downtrend.
Yeah, you're caught between. Okay, let your mind trip on this for a second. On the higher time frame, the daily
Yeah.
time frame, we're stuck. We're currently stuck
Yeah. In that.
on your 15-minute time frame
Yeah.
between two daily gold bars.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
So right now, this whole price movement in the 15-minute time frame for as far left as you can see has been
Yeah.
bouncing up and down between two gold bars on the
Yeah.
daily time frame.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now this is telling me that the gold bar on the higher time frame
Hmm.
is where the arrows are at the bottom on your higher time frame. So you see this 20% down here of the higher time frame.
Yeah. This one. Yeah.
Yes, that's half from the 20% to the zero is
Okay.
half of a gold bar on the higher time frame.
Mm.
So what it's doing is it's pulling back down into this gold bar to create a wick on the daily time frame
Oh,
to
right.
push out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
So my trade is set up on the
On the
lower
20.
time frame on the
Yeah.
20 to buy
Yeah.
it
To buy
back
out.
up.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
only looking for buys.
And that may not happen. It may happen this week. It may not too.
Exactly.
Mm. Okay. No
That's the
worries.
importance of marking your charts on the higher time frame to see where you're at in that
Yeah.
situation to follow it on the lower time frames.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. GA. I want to try and get through as many of these as possible. GA, where am I? Down in, yeah, there. Oh, Mr. EA. It is. It's Mr. EA. How are you?
Hey, Darren.
All right, yourself?
Good. We're just looking at potentials for this week.
Yeah,
It's good. Oh yeah, oh, we'll get down to it in a little while. But you can profit it out for me. Bang, bang,
yeah,
bang.
that's good.
Yeah. Yes, just watch.
Yeah,
Yeah, and yeah, so you haven't seen any special on the stabilizer?
I haven't looked today yet.
Ah, okay, no worries. It's okay. Where's my over here? Let's update that. I was just saying to Tom before I got a new modem yesterday, so things
Yeah,
seem to be back on track working nicely.
yeah.
No, there's still no, they don't have any. No. Okay. Right. Um, any other news? You can.
No, I was watching. Actually, I did watch. I posted that for you. It was just another new video he's done. Petco. It's uh, it's free. It's this EA that's free.
Oh,
If you join this sort of group, you get access like limited time access, and it gives you within that time frame you can get all of this EA, so it costs you nothing. And he's done some bit of work on it himself and adjusted it and tested it, and it's not a grid or martingale. It's purely a TP and a stop loss that
yeah.
takes trades. And he's well, you should see the video, but he's got it.
Oh, did you put it in our chat,
I
did
haven't
you?
done
Or
yet. I'll do that, but
oh, you
he's
will. Sorry, yeah, because I
yeah,
didn't see it and I went, oh, hang on. Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
he's got it.
So is it part of Algo? You have to be part of Algo to grab it.
I don't think so.
Okay,
I think
lovely.
so.
Oh, that's all right.
Um, so I'd say you get access to this. I think it's EA Studio. I think it's called EA
Yeah,
Studio.
yeah, 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 sure. Yeah, it's part of their whole so
Oh, is
I don't
it?
know if you ever saw the Australian guy do his little podcast with him.
So is
So
that
it,
actually the part of their group then, or just something
yeah,
they?
it's part of Algo.
Right. Well, he's got this. He's been playing around with this EA and got it working really well on Euro JPY.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
There's no grid or martingale, and obviously it's really there's no cost to it either. Um,
Yeah. So what happens is the Aussie guy that he did the podcast with that flew over
yeah,
there to wherever Petco lives, um, he's a coder. He's been coding for a long time.
yeah,
And this studio thing is part of what they do is it's not like it's not how I understand it is
yeah.
it's not like a purchased EA. It's they create their own EA out of testing lots of different possibilities and then create the EA out of all of that testing and possibility stuff. and it's something that can change over time. But he's saying, well, this is a free EA. It's something they've created out of their
Yeah.
coding and testing. That's how I understand it. And there were a
Yeah.
couple of different things like the studio of the different sort of coding and programming thing that they use, and then they put it up to for you could actually buy the I think I can't remember, it was 1,600 euro, whatever it was, for to buy into
Yeah.
that whole thing where you can program yourself. I don't feel that I have the skill to do that.
No, neither do
Uh,
I. Neither do I.
but if they do it and then present something, well, that's fine, no problem whatsoever. Yeah.
There we go. I've just put that in the group
See?
chat.
Yeah.
Free robot.
Uh,
Robust trading strategy I found.
yeah, no worries. I'll have a look at that. Thank you, Darren. Yeah, well, we'll look at a few other bits too. There are the free ones in the dark as well. Dark
Yeah, there
EA.
are. Yeah. Yeah.
There's three or four, Dark Moon and Dark something or other. I've got to
Yeah.
organise myself in there too. I
Yeah.
still haven't got back to get those other ones. There's been so much going on here. So funerals on Monday, next Monday.
Right.
My wife's mother. They finished the autopsy and all the rest of it. So, and I've got the court thing tomorrow. Our appeals, not our appeal, their appeal, which he'll lose. Um, yeah, so lots of stuff. Many things happening all at once. But anyway,
Yeah.
but this is nice. I'm liking this stuff that we've been doing. So, all that Tom's been presenting to us. Anyway, so GA, I'm looking at this to, potentially buy back up, Tom, the GA. But at the moment, I think it's we'll just see what it
I'm
does or
prepping to
not.
get into this trade ASAP.
For the buy,
Yeah,
yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah,
it's
I think
failing to
there's
break that low again with those blue triangles there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, and I think this will change. The green will change. I think we'll get the buy back up. All right then, GCAD. Let's see if we can keep going. This as well. This to buy up as well. This is getting ready too. Yeah. Yeah. No committal, Tom. I know something's going on in the background. It's
Oh,
okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was muted. I was saying I was agreeing with you. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yes, correct. GCAD. Oh, GBP Now
Say that
this
three times
one's a
fast.
little bit. Sorry.
I said say that three times fast.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. British pound, Swiss franc. Yeah. Um, so yeah, this one's in it's bouncing off here. It's up, back down, up, back. I think we'll get down. Depends on whether, well, I think I'm waiting for this one to see whether it will push back, but I'll wait for that to come back. All right, GJ. Oh, I think this will work its way up to the 20, to the 80, sorry, and drop off. So I'm just waiting for that. It's actually not quite ready. I'll take that off. In my opinion. GN. Okay, so are you ready to get the sell out of that one?
Uh, no, not really.
Okay.
I'll tell you why. I think it's going to buy.
Yeah, could too.
So I'm looking at
I
this
don't
as just a
know.
push down before we get our push up.
Okay, all right.
So having it push down into the middle of the overall
Yeah.
fib, I'm not thrilled about taking a trade.
Okay, right.
It didn't sweep anything of importance.
Fair enough. GBP Singapore. We're on the way up. Let's see what it does here at this and then push back. I'm going to come back and have a look at that one. GU, that's the other one that I'm Infinity. Remember, Darren, are you in the Infinity trades
Yeah,
at the moment?
still
There's a
stuck in those
couple.
GU
Oh, you're
positions.
stuck in ones from before. No, I've
Yeah,
only got ones that I've only got current ones.
yeah. No, I'm
Let me
still in
just
that.
where is it? Oh, the UK has got one more trade. Anyway, won't worry too much about that. Yeah, let's see the GU. Yeah, it's in 5 trades, all in sells as it buys up. Yeah. But anyway, it's typically what happens. I mean, if it's going to buy direction, it's going to get sells, isn't it? Like it's just waiting for the pullback. They all do the same thing. But that doesn't look great. That maybe the pullback might be enough. What's the? Hang on, let's see. What is the? I know it doesn't tell you. Infinity hides it, doesn't it? Hides the TP.
Yeah.
So I don't know where the pullback. If it pulls back to the 20, is it enough to get out of those? But you've got ones from ages ago, haven't you?
I have,
They
yeah.
hide
Are
the
they?
TP.
Yeah, they hide it. Yeah,
Why do they hide the TP?
so that those people out there don't know what Darren and I are doing, and so they can't.
They hide them from the brokers, I think, don't they? Is
Yeah,
that the
hides from
reason?
the brokers. Yep. Yeah, it gets hidden
Gotcha.
from the broker. Um. So Darren, are you in buys and sells? What are the old ones? Are they buys or sells?
They're I just can't remember how they sells. Let me have a look.
Because if they're sells, we'll eventually go in that right direction. But if they're buys, I thought they were buys you had.
Yeah, the
I
buys,
know they're
buys.
buys. Yeah, so now pushing
So
back up, you might actually get out of those ones with
yeah,
it pushing
it got into them
ages ago.
as soon as I launched the EA, it got
Yeah,
straight
yeah,
into
yeah,
the
yeah.
piece and
Yeah,
immediately went into drawdown and been sat there ever
yeah,
since.
yeah, yeah. Well, that's what you
Um,
got to work out. Well, how far up has it got to go?
yeah, I mean, the account's 3%. So it's about 5% up.
Yeah,
Um, all from taking sells. So it's not been able to. It reached the limit on buys. Only it's limited to 4. So
yeah,
all the profit's been from sells while
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sat in
yeah, yeah,
buy
yeah.
positions. But it's quite heavily in drawdown. It's
Yeah,
what about
it's heavily in drawdown from sells as,
from
but the buys.
buys. Buys, yeah. It's about 18% in drawdown. Those
Wow, on those buys.
yeah, it was more than that.
Yeah, wow, gee. All right then, NCAD. Oh, actually, the GU, I reckon it's worth getting in. Let's see if it pull back to the 20 here, Tom. This is what you're on for? I'm for a long from the 20 back up. Yeah, something like that.
Oh, I was trying to
Okay.
say I didn't realize I was on mute. I apologize.
Oh,
I'm in
you're
it for the
right.
short.
At the moment?
No, I'm waiting for the short
Ah, yeah.
because mine
I
says
reckon
it's turning here
yeah, no.
for a short, just like the
Okay.
EA say it is.
Okay.
Because you're
All
going
right.
off your green line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. If it comes back to 20 and keep going, great. If not, and turns. Because, yeah, anyway. Okay. NCAD. These are the ones I did on my own. Well, not my own, but I've done them. I spent time yesterday. Look at them way down the bottom here. Yeah. Just keeps. bumbling on you at the minute. Well, I'm not taking trading that. NZD-CHF. And also to potentially sell. NZD-JPY. Pull that back down. NZD-USD. It's in that low section. It's in that discounted. We'll just see the pushes. All the NZDs seem to be continuing to put. They're all in sell. Singapore Japanese yen. Okay, so this one is potentially a sellout here. Have a look at that one. And UCAD? Haven't looked at it since. So yeah, look at it. See, it came down. See that dotted line is was a TP. It came down just to it, then pushed back up, and then we'll look at it potentially pushing down further. No, nice. Actually, get rid of that. That was up here somewhere when I first sort of did it. Anyway. There might be an opportunity to get into the sell on that. Let's see. Let's look at that. Even if it's from the, it's probably too close. What's the distance from, say, here back down? Oh, 72. Just if we look at a short on that from their prices there now. Well, still, yeah, anyway, okay. Still worthwhile. USD-CHF. Yeah, put that one in UJ. You got a UJ trading, haven't you?
Wall Street Recovery Pro.
Yeah.
That counts at about break even. It after it took in a loss very early on.
Okay.
I'll run through
Looking at
it to tell you where they're at.
Yeah.
One of my iPhone's accounts sort of ticking along.
Oh, that's good.
It's about 3% now in
Profit.
3% up after 42 days.
At what point do you pull some profits out?
Well,
Because you got two, haven't you?
yeah, the other one's about 0.5%. The other one's a bit slower, but well, my sort of plan is when I've got enough to purchase a third iPhone's account.
Oh, okay.
Once I've got profits to do that, that's what I'll do. Use them to
Yeah.
buy the one, and then build up a stable of funded accounts.
Okay.
I really should have had Brexit terms on a funded account, shouldn't I? All this time.
Yeah, the GU one.
No, the UCAD one, the UCAD one.
Oh, the UK. Yeah. It's pretty well. You should have, yeah, because I got in a lot later. It's a lot slower though. Oh, look at the bouncer in there. Gold. Now it's just shot up. I reckon it'll do pull back and then push up further towards that 80 again. up to the 4.2. And then what do we got? Bitcoin's back to 105. I haven't done any chart stuff on there. I'm not too fast. Okay. And then oil is only at 60. Like that's just mulling around now. Really not the best position from a profit perspective. Oil isn't. And cocoa is back to somewhere reasonable. Look at that. Off its dizzy heights. Anyway. And coppers, yeah. Right. Where are you going with your Ethereum? Well, Ethereum's looking all right. Hey, Tom?
Yeah. I don't. I got to be honest with you. I don't even look at crypto anymore.
No, you just hold. If
Yeah,
you've got
whatever's
it,
gonna happen, it's gonna happen.
if you go, you hold. All right
I
then.
just assumed that money was gone.
All right. Well, thanks for putting that link in, Darryl. I'll have a look at it
Yeah.
today when I get a moment, and then we'll see. Have you you putting something? Are you doing something with it? Do you think?
Not yet. It was only one. I just saw it. It was yesterday evening, actually, quite late when I sat down, just seeing it posted any videos
Euro
about.
JPY, was it?
Yeah, Euro
Okay.
JPY. They're
Okay,
sort
put
of
that.
testing it and adjusting the parameters, and they've got it to a what looks
Actually,
quite a good position.
Euro JPY is in that FX stabilizer as well.
Mm.
And UJ, UJ, UCAD, AUD USD, Euro USD, CHF JPY, Euro GBP, and GBP CHF. Interesting.
Well, the attraction of this EA Studio one that he's been playing around with is that there is no grid or martingale
Yeah,
in there, so the trades either win or lose, and
yeah.
you know, um,
Well, that's why he was saying also the Aussie guy was saying this EA Studio stuff, anything that comes from that can be placed onto iFunds or
yeah,
if they're appropriate,
yeah,
or prop firms even, because
yeah,
it's not it's not a grid or martingale thing, so they tend to chuck you out on that.
yeah.
So that he says this, the EA Studio stuff would work. Yeah, well, okay. Well, it's all. You still got a dozen, so there's a couple that have been duds.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well, I'm just having a look
opinion.
now. So FX Proctor, that's up 17%, 17. That's in 167 days. FX Eternal.
Have you got these on? Did you put them onto uh,
These are all on live accounts with IC Markets, these.
yeah. No. Have you got them in I'm trying to think of that. Hang on, what is it? It's have you got them in Forex Factory or FX Blue things that you can
I
track
haven't,
them or
no,
no?
just from
Okay.
my own sort of spreadsheet.
Okay. Oh, you got it on your own Okay, no worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there's a counter in there, so it works out the number of days each
Right.
day. So it updates
It's on a spreadsheet.
just on a spreadsheet. So FX Proctor's up 17% in 167
Oh,
days.
so you've got that you just enter the numbers in and then it calculates it.
Yeah.
Okay.
FX Eternals up 10% in 152 days.
That's not counting any drawdown situation it's in
Oh,
currently.
that's just the balance, yeah.
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 Yeah, no worries.
Dark Algo, that's quite slow, really. I thought it'd be quicker than this, but that's 5% in 145 days.
Hmm.
Dark Titan is now sort of finally sort of in 1% in profit
Yeah, because that's the one you had on AUD NZD, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah, I had all the trouble with.
And now
Infinity,
you got it on NCAD.
yeah,
Yeah.
Infinity Trader. We've already talked about that's up 5% in. It's only 55 days been running that.
Yeah, but it's in drawdown
It's
currently.
putting that drawdown, yeah.
Yeah.
Euro Stable's up 4% in 49 days.
Yeah, no, Euro Stable's pretty damn good.
Yeah, no drawdown on that. Wall Street Recovery Pro is at about break even in 42 days. And the two iPhones accounts, have a look at those. So the Happy Forex is up 3%, 42 days.
Yeah. I think I'm going to buy the Happy Pack. We'll see how we go.
Yeah,
They might have a Black Friday saley thing or
yeah.
not. I don't know.
And then I've got one on Happy Algorithm Pro. That's
Yeah.
up about 0.5%.
Yeah.
42
Okay.
days, that's a bit slow. But one of the there's a guy on that algo trading space who seems to be really quite into the Happy Forex, the Happy EAs. So he's
He's a
done
very happy chap. Yeah.
yeah, he likes those. So it's worth having a look at a couple of his videos. But
Hmm.
he seems to be starting to combine them as well, on the one account.
Oh, okay.
Trying to try and speed things along a bit, but he seems to be quite into those. And they generally
Hmm.
seem to be low drawdown, the Happy Forex EA,
Hmm.
so suitable for funded accounts. I mean the two
Hmm.
I've got, there's been drawdown's been negligible, so far, just nothing,
But
nothing to
again, it does
start
depend when
for.
you enter it onto a live account, when you
It does, yeah.
start the
Yeah, I do
yeah,
think
you got
it's
to
that
watch
chance,
that.
you just buy. There's not a lot you can do about it, really, is there? You just got to get it, launch
Yeah.
it at some point, and you just get caught with a sort of bad trade initially.
Hmm.
Seems to
Or
be.
the overall trend direction,
Yeah,
opposite. So
yeah.
all right then. I better go.
Okay.
Go do me day, go drive the bus and see how we go tomorrow. As I said to Tom, I should be on tomorrow morning because I don't need to leave the train until about 7 or something because I don't need to be in the city till 10. But
I might have
we'll
a look at
see.
that next studio one actually, Brian, and just I might just set it up, give you a
Yeah,
well. Yeah,
not hard to do if we you can get it. Like it's saying is as those free dark ones too. I
yeah,
want to get them and have a look at them too.
yeah,
Why
yeah.
not? All right then.
Okay,
Until tomorrow, I'll see today, Tom. See what sort of trades might give us opportunities today
Yeah,
because it'll be going into your Tuesday.
right.
No worries. All right then. Till tomorrow.
okay.
All
See
right.
ya.
Ciao.
Take care, guys.
Bye.
See ya.